Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss practical number 13. In the practical number 13 worksheet are given here. First you want to enter this worksheet in your workbook. So already I have entered the given worksheet in my Excel workbook. So after that, first, so you can rename it as a grade, so your worksheet. So then second, find the grade which is equal to midterm 1, midterm 2, project plus final. So the grade 100 percentage is equal to midterm 1, midterm 2, project final. Here grade is equal to midterm 1 plus midterm 2 plus project plus final grade. Then enter, drag and drop here. So another one more thing, so in the serial number just drag down here. Then you need to find out the status for each student. Any students with a grade better than or equal to 80 is called distinct, others are called fulfilled. So in here you need to find out the grades. In the status equal if this value greater than or equal to 80, then true, distinct, then others, those who are getting false. In the less than 80, fulfilled. So only one person is greater than 80, so that value fall into true part. So use auto format as shown on the figures. So here the auto format you can apply. So then create the column chart based on the column student name, final grade. First there are some parts we need to fill. Average equal average, you can get the average of this value. Then highest marks is equal max, get maximum marks. Then lowest marks equal min, you will get the lowest marks. Number of, that mean count, after that the number of project greater than 8, that mean count if range project criteria greater than 8. Then sum of final marks less than or equal to 35, equal sum if final marks criteria less than or equal to 35 some range. Finally, you want to insert a column chart based on the student name and final grade. So here first select the student name with the holding of control key. You want to select the final grades. Insert recommended chart. So here several column charts are recommended to you. You can insert the chart here like this way. So here more effects are available. If you want, you can apply those on your chart. So then the chart tables also you need to include. Here the things are available. So data tables, you can include the data table. Student name, final and the grade. Okay, so here in the chart we need to include the grade also. Student name, final and grade also. Insert recommended chart. So you can get the chart like this. Then chart table, data table will be added here. So if you want to give the title, you can give student like that. From the design there are several effects are available. Based on your requirement, you can apply those in your chart. Like this way you can complete practical number 30.